Replacing the air filter assembly box here on the Generac 6500 from Rodent damaged before. I ordered this new one off Amazon. I wasn't able to find it at Home Depot or Lowe's, but I'll put the link to the air filter assembly box into the description of the video. Just have to unscrew this. That piece comes out. Front of the box lifts off. You can see here all this hair in here from the nest. And I got a replacement filter. The only difference in this filter, and I'll show you here in a minute, the assembly, this hose connector shoots up, whereas the other one shot back for the hose, but that shouldn't cause any problem. And that one actually came with the filter from Amazon, so that's great. And I'll have a couple extra filters on hand. So if you order the one on the link from Amazon, it comes with a filter already in there and the whole assembly. The socket set is a 10 millimeter. Be careful not to lose the nuts. Size socket is a 10 millimeter. There's a hose down in here. If you can see this piece right here, that just pushes right out. Just tuck that back there for a minute. There's a clamp over on this side. I'll show you that. It's on the hose. Just pinch that and slide it up. And that comes right off. This right here to here. There's one bolt on the back side of this box about right here. That bolt was also 10 millimeters. Slides right back over. I'll attach the support bolt back here first. Put these two back on. Push this hose back in. Just like before. Now you put the metal frame back in. The new air filter on. Even though the mouse had chewed just a little bit to get in there, they were able to slide in, but now they have the scent in there and that might attract them back to it. So by replacing it, at least the scent's gone out of there too. There's no way I could have cleaned that out all the way. And that's it. It's replaced.